Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and just a reminder that today, Sunday, November the 26th, yes, this is the 26th, we're less than a month now away from Christmas Day, but I digress. Sunday, November 26th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Walter and I will be on the air live as we usually are. And what's today's topic? Well, kind of a mishmash, but then when isn't it a mishmash of topics? We're going to talk about the aftermath of American Thanksgiving, what you may have planned, what we have planned as far as getting things ready for Christmas Day, and about other things that have been going on and whatnot. And we're going to talk a little bit about YouTube. Yeah, YouTube statistics when it comes to my channel and to some of my friends' channels. So, like I said, it's a mismatch. So come and join us for the chaos. It's going to be fun. And it's all the more fun when you participate in the chat. So hope to see you later today, Sunday, November the 26th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Be there or be square.